Hey friends! Today, we're going to solve a big problem. Have you ever tried to do something? But oops, it didn't go out as planned? Maybe you tried to build a tower of blocks, but it came crashing down. Or you drew a picture that looked more like a squiggle than a cat. That's okay. We all make mistakes, and that's how we learn. Today, I was super excited to cook pancakes all by myself, but something went very wrong. Let's find out together and fix it like real problem solvers. Are you ready? Three, two, one. So, here is what happened. I wanted to make the fluffiest, yummiest pancakes ever. I followed a recipe I found in a cookbook. Then I added flour, milk, eggs, and even a little vanilla. Yum! Mix, mix, mix. I stirred it all up and poured the batter into the pan. But then the pancakes looked okay on the outside, but when I cut into them, they were still gooey and raw in the middle, and the outside was burnt. Yuck! Well, now I had two choices. I could cry and give up, or I could figure out what went wrong. But I chose to be a detective and solve the mystery. Want to join me? It's time to think like a detective. All right, friends, get your thinking caps on. Let's solve this pancake mystery together. Okay, it's time to think smart. Why did the pancakes go wrong? Here is how smart problem solvers fix things. Ready? Step 1. Identify the problem. The problem is the pancakes are burnt outside, but they're raw inside. Step 2. Find possible causes. Let's brainstorm what might have gone wrong. Too much heat? Too much batter? A missing ingredient? Let's test them one by one. Step 3. Test solutions. First, I'll try turning the heat down. Maybe the pan was too hot. Then, I'll pour less batter in. Just a small circle like a pancake coin. Then, I'll double check my ingredients. I think I forgot to add baking powder before. Oopsie! Now, let's wait and watch. It's cooking evenly. It's not burning. I see bubbles. It's time to flip. Yes. Look at that. It's golden, brown, and perfect. It's working. We fixed the problem. I was cooking too hot. I was pouring too much batter. And I missed an ingredient. Yikes! But now we know how to make it right. Okay, friends, let's make another one right. Pour, wait, and flip. And ta-da! The most perfect pancake ever! Good job! Now I get to eat it. Do you think you could try making pancakes at home with a grown-up? Tell me, what toppings will you add? Syrup, bananas, or peanut butter? So, what did you learn today? Mistakes aren't bad. They help us learn and grow. Now, if something goes wrong, don't panic. Instead, identify the problem, find possible causes, and test solutions. That's what smart thinkers do. Now it's your turn. Pick a problem in your life and try to solve it. Maybe your books are always messy. Can you find a new way to keep them organized? Or maybe you're having trouble tying your shoelaces. What steps can you practice? Or maybe your little brother keeps losing his toy. Can you help him figure out where he left it? Remember, it's okay to try, mess up, and try again. You can do it! Okay, let's recap what we learned today. Mistakes help us learn. We can think like detectives. We solve problems by testing different ideas. Good job!